You need to make your email list exciting to be on, something that feels better than social media for your audience. Give them your best strategies, give them your best content, give them more content through your email list than you do on social media so that they actually want to be there. Are you feeling burnt out from social media, from posting every day and still not seeing consistent sales? You're in the right place. I'm Kirsten Roldan, creator of $1 Million Email, where I help coaches and service providers to hit their first 100K to $1 million, reduce their social media presence, and increase their piece using email marketing without a big audience, a bunch of complicated funnels, or freebies. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make sales from email without posting on social media so you can stop relying on platforms that drain you. The truth is, you can make sales without social media, and in fact, you will make more sales with less work. Many of us already know that email marketing has much higher deliverability rates than social media because we are not relying on an entertainment-based algorithm. We're just relying on a permission-based algorithm, which basically means if you have permission to send those emails, then they're likely going to get seen by the people on your email list, as opposed to with social media, you have to be the most entertaining to be seen. But even beyond that, email marketing will help you increase your sales as opposed to social media because it's long form content and you are able to thoroughly answer your ideal clients' questions and concerns. Rather than just trying to get them to notice you, you will actually be able to walk them through the buying process much better and much easier. So how do you get started with making sales without posting on social media? The first step is to start growing your email list. So wherever you're currently marketing, you need to be getting those audience members onto your email list. And here's how to do it. Don't create another freebie. Don't create another webinar, nothing like that. Literally just ask people to join your email list. Set up an opt-in that says you are going to send weekly emails and ask people to join your list. Make sure you tell them that you are going to be sending exclusive content to them through your email list so that they are actually motivated to join the list. And then from there, you're going to actually have to send exclusive weekly content to that email list. You need to make your email list exciting to be on, something that feels better than social media for your audience. Give them your best strategies, give them your best content, give them more content through your email list than you do on social media so that they actually want to be there. Your social media should feel boring compared to your email list. From there, the key to get those subscribers to actually work with you is to make sure you are selling in every single email you send. That means don't just send the Dear Diary emails and the newsletters where you're like, hey, this is what I'm doing this week. This is my favorite podcast this week. Nothing like that. You need to actually send high value emails and sell in every single email. No, you won't burn your list out as long as you are sending good high value emails. You are not going to make sales without social media if you are not actually selling when you are off social media. It's that simple. My program, $1 Million Email, teaches you how many emails to send a week, what topics to send, and how to write copy in a way that is both highly valuable and high converting so you can scale your business peacefully and with less social media. You will learn the exact strategy myself and my clients have used to hit our first 100K to $1 million using email without having to rely on social media to do it. If you want to learn how to sell with just your words, no fancy content creation required, make sure you join today.